Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by isolating the problem and checking simple causes first. Confirm vibration is enabled in console settings and on the controller profile. Swap in fresh AA batteries or use a fully charged 3.7V rechargeable pack to rule out power issues. Test motors externally by applying 1.5V AA battery briefly to each motor lead. The motor should spin noticeably. Connect the controller wired to the console and test again to rule out wireless issues. If vibration still fails, prepare to open the controller carefully. Power down the controller and remove batteries before disassembly. Use Torx T8 and T6 drivers and a plastic spudger to remove screws and pry seams gently. Work on a clean surface and place screws in a tray to avoid loss. Peel back the shell slowly and note the ribbon cable orientation before disconnecting anything. Locate the two eccentric rotating mass motors typically mounted in the handles and sized around 8 mm by 12 mm. Inspect motor wires and solder joints visually for breaks or corrosion. If a motor fails the external battery test, order matching 8 mm by 12 mm ERM replacement motors. Desolder the old motor wires or cut them with enough length to reconnect later. Test each replacement motor with 1.5V AA battery before soldering to confirm operation. Solder wires neatly or use small inline connectors, leaving strain relief on the wires to prevent future breaks. Reassemble the shell. Reinstall screws in their original positions and test vibration with a wired connection. Finally, recalibrate vibration settings on the console and confirm the restored feedback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.